Hello, my name is Harry Woodgate. My pronouns are they, them, and I am an author and illustrator of various books, including the Cinnamon Crumb Baking Detective series, which is my first illustrated series for middle grade, 8 to 12-year-old kind of readers, and it follows a girl called Cinnamon who is from a family of bakers and stumbles into solving a series of mouth-watering mysteries in and around her baking-obsessed town of Marzipan. Marvellously illustrated, mouth-watering mystery mayhem. Okay, so Cinnamon is determined, observant, and she's really eager to prove that she can continue her family's baking legacy, but perhaps her talents lie in detective work instead. Raffi is gregarious, outgoing, and a brilliantly supportive friend. Meanwhile, Amber is creative, self-assured, and she's not afraid to do things in her own way, even if that's a bit different to how other people might do them. I've loved baking ever since I was a kid, and so many of my precious childhood memories with family and friends also involve cake. I love reading cozy crime, mysteries, trying to solve the puzzle before the big reveal at the end, so this was kind of the perfect opportunity to combine both of those things in one highly illustrated, hopefully delicious package. I would say it's a tie between carrot cake and fruit cake, but if we were to expand the question to include other types of baking, then I would also include cheese scones, rhubarb crumble, tiramisu, and pear frangipane tart, just not all at the same time. I think if you like adventure, mystery, delicious illustrations, if you enjoy reading books such as the Murder Most Unladylike series, Montgomery Bonbon, The Swifts, or if you enjoy watching the Great British Bake Off, then Cinnamon Crumb Baking Detective is going to be right up your street.